Hi everyone! We hope you're having a wonderful school holidays and we want to welcome you to our City of Ryde Libraries craft video. So my name is Wendy and today we will be making a koi pond together. So I want to show you how to make one and we'll be using everything that's in this craft pack. You can get this craft pack in any of the City of Ryde Libraries. Just go in and you can grab one. So what we're gonna do first is let's color something in. How about let's color our pond in? Okay, so because we're gonna be making a pond, I think I'm gonna use the blue crayon today. Now, so let's just go in there and color. Okay, so now that we have this colored in, we're gonna grab our second paper plate, but instead of drawing on the inside like the first paper plate, we're gonna be flipping it on the back. So on the back here, you see that? So we're gonna flip it on the back and we're gonna be coloring along the bumpy little lines here to make a little lid for it. I think for this one, I'm gonna use some green crayons and I'm gonna color the side. Okay, now let's do this together. Alright, now that we have all this colored in, we're gonna get ready to do some cutting. Alright, so we're gonna grab our pair of scissors. Now make sure you're very safe with your pair of scissors, okay? So if you do need help, please grab your parent or your adult so that they can help you do some cutting. Alright, and make sure to hold them properly and you don't hurt yourself with them, okay? So now this one, we don't need to do any cutting with this one. So we're gonna leave it as it is. So we put it to the side, but we'll cut this one. So this one is gonna be a little tricky because we're gonna be taking out this from the plate. So first, we're just gonna take our scissors and we're gonna try and cut a little bit here where it's raised up. And we're gonna cut it through to make a little hole. Make sure your hands are very far away from the scissors, okay? So now that there's a hole in there, we can put the scissors in there and we're gonna cut. Look at that. Taking our glue stick, we're gonna flip this around, get some glue and put lots of glue up here. Okay, now we put that aside. Now let's line that up and gently, because you don't want to push too hard so that it breaks the paper plate, but just gently push down and give it a little while. It should stay. Look at that. Okay, now that we're waiting for this one to dry and stick on properly, we're gonna take our coloring in pages and we're gonna be cutting out these little rocks, the little fish, and the flowers. We won't be using these flowers just yet, so we'll put them aside and we're gonna grab our pond. Now let's check if it's stuck on there properly. Oh, that's pretty good. So you see, it's not falling off and they're pretty stuck on together. But if you do want to make sure that it sticks on there properly and that it won't fall off, you can use a little bit of sticky tape just to ensure that it doesn't fall off. Now, I think it's time we start decorating our little pond. Now, we have some fishies, we have some lily pads, and we have some rocks around the places. So how should we decorate this? This is looking great. Now, we're gonna be using our flowers. So with these flowers, they're gonna be pretty special. Okay, let's put the lid on that. So we're gonna be folding these little petals inside, but make sure you don't fold them too hard. Just a little gentle push, just a gentle push. And we're gonna make an actual little pond. So if you don't want to do this and just want to keep your pond like this, that's perfectly okay. You don't have to put the water in, and you can just put your flowers in like this and it'll be beautiful. But if you do want to try put a little bit of water, let's see what happens, okay? Now the lily pad is now floating. If you don't glue it down, it will float. But let's put a flower in there and see what happens, okay? Look at that. The little fishies. Of course, you can definitely put more water in here if you want to make it float a little bit more. I just put a tiny little bit in there. But look at that. Well done, everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's craft, and we can't wait to see you next time. Thank you so much.